Come with me as I take down my 3-month-old knotless braids. In today's video, I will be showing you everything I did to repair, wash, and detangle my hair. So this is 3 months knotless braid new growth. Of course, I did refresh my hair a few times while I had these braids in, and I will leave you a quick reel of how I refreshed my braids. Super easy and affordable, but the bad part is if you don't take your hair down, you can face your hair dreading up or locking up, as mine literally started to do. I made sure I took several days to take my braids down because I really just wanted to see if my hair could grow and if I could actually keep the majority of my hair without cutting it or facing too much damage. The good part is, yes, I kept the majority of my hair, but the bad part is, girl, a lot of my hair came out. But I'm gonna show you everything I did to detangle everything and to repair my hair in the next couple clips. So right in this very moment, I am taking down the super hard to unfold knot that I created when I was interlocking my hair. So that took a few twists and turns and rubbing of my hair together, but I was just determined not to just yank my hair out and not to just comb through it roughly, because it genuinely, as you can see right there, they were starting to lock up individually. Like, those twists are both locks, and I have to take my fingers and some picks and pick through it delicately without breaking my hair off or damaging my hair further. I just wanted to add that I'm taking down my hair in my bathroom, so I have my laptop set up so I can be entertained, but I'm also watching myself in my mirror to see how those knots are looking and just to see what I'm doing, because low-key this was so tiring and it literally took days for me to sit there and take my hair down and pick through every braid individually. So I'm not gonna lie, if you know a quicker way I could have did it, comment that down below. But like I said, I did interlock my hair as the months were going by to refresh my braids and to make them look new. So I did that about 2-3 times. So my hair was locked up a few times, and then I don't know, it was just a whole process. But if you do know an easier way, just comment that down below and help each other. I will leave all the time codes in the description down below, from me braiding my hair to me creating a face mask to me detangling to me washing my hair. So if you would like to see certain things, I will leave everything down below and you can rewatch it or fast forward to it, no problem, boo. But for those of you who are taking down your hair and you want to watch somebody at the same time, let's get into it. So here it is. These are the worst of the worst. These are literally, I feel like these are baby locks of my hair. So these are the things I wanted to take my time, TLC, gently do it, look in the mirror, take my time, because my edges, I'm not trying to lose my edges. Like, look at that, literally hanging on by a strand. Here is my hair strengthening mask. I believe Cardi B uses this mask. I've seen it everywhere on TikTok, and I believe my girl Des P might have used it in the video too. But literally, this mask moisturizes my hair, and I did feel like my hair was really repaired. I made this with ingredients at home: honey, an egg, olive oil, an avocado, and coconut oil. I had all those supplies at home, and so I really liked that I was able to make a natural mask at home. I will tell you, I did leave this mask on for probably about 6 hours afterwards. I just sat with my face mask on and my hair mask on, and I sat down and edited a video, and I had the mask on the entire time, and I feel like it started to make my hair back soft and it locked in some moisture. Next, we're hopping straight into my wash day routine. I will be trying a lot of new products, but for me, I was already tired of doing my hair, so I had to light me a candle and just set the mood and really just get powered up and in the mood to continue to, get my hair out the way. So I rinsed the mask off, and it was just so much avocado left over. Next time I do it, I have to remember to really get that avocado, like a good blend on it, because this mess was in my hair and it was everywhere. Everywhere. When I tell you everywhere, my bathroom, I have to vacuum my bathroom. That avocado was everywhere. So after I try to rinse the mask out of my hair, I'm just going to be going in with this miellle shampoo. Now, I like to get the same shampoo and conditioner from whatever brand that I try. And this month, I'm so happy to try miellle because it's supposed to be black owned. So, of course, it's made for black hair. And so far, so good. It definitely did moisturize my hair, but I'm not quite sure if that was the mask or if it was the products. I'm kind of like, I don't know. I got to wash my hair again. But so far, I loved it. It's super, super sudsy. And this is just me pumping it into my scalp a few times. I love that about it. So now I'm just massaging my scalp with my Gimme scalp massager. This is just an extra level of just relaxation. I like to make everything into self-care, relaxation. I don't want my hair routine to feel like a heavy task on me. So I love that this massager is cute and it actually does work to soothe your scalp. With conditioning my hair, I try not to really comb through it too much. I just like to saturate my hair with the products and let my hair just loosen up naturally, because when my hair is wet, I try not to manipulate it. I do see girls brushing their hair in the shower when the hair is wet, but for me, that's not something I enjoy doing. It's just something I've never tried, honestly, and I feel like the last time I did try it, I had a lot of breakage. So for me, I need to sit down and put the detangler in my hair and to do it a certain other type of way, which I'm gonna show y'all. After fully rinsing out my hair and getting as much product and hair mask out of my hair and all that dirt buildup, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair with my Gimme hair wrap. This right here feels like just a soft fuzzy robe. Like, I love this material, so my hair just soaked this completely up. I will try my best to leave all the products used in the description, but this is a lot, y'all. So if you're following, screenshot as we go, but this is everything I use to make my natural hair wash day super easy. And if you have 4C hair, you already know it can be a struggle because it's so thick as it is. After parting my hair into 6 sections, 3 on each side, I'm going to use my Aunt Jackie's detangler, and I'm going to detangle my hair and just rub that all through my hair from my ends to my roots. This detangler is my holy grail, all-time favorite. Can't no detangler play with Aunt Jackie's detangler. This detangler is going to be coming from all y'all throats. If I tell y'all it's a real good product, I'm not capping. This is the best. No sponsorships, no endorsements. Aunt Jackie's detangler for any 4C natural hair girl. I'm telling you, it's gonna change your life. I know how we used to get a comb or brush and do the chase method with blow drying our hair. I don't gotta do that no more because I got a brush blow dryer, and this is another game changer. Of course, they're always making newer and better things out there, but when I discovered this, and I believe it was like under $100 from Walmart, man, this has really saved me so much time with doing my hair, like blow drying it, because I can blow dry my hair in a few passes and it's straight enough for me. I'm not trying to have my hair bone straight, but it's manageable. It's not too much heat damage, and I just love what this blow dryer does for me. This is all my hair that I had come out during braids, detangling, and stuff. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. And I will see you guys in my next video.